National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Monroe County in south-central Alabama, northern Mobile County in southwestern Alabama, northwestern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, southern Washington County in southwestern Alabama, southeastern Clark County in southwestern Alabama, until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Calvert, or 7 miles northeast of Citronelle, moving east around 40 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Citronelle, Gulf Coast, Deer Park, Mount Vernon, Calvert, McIntosh, and Movico. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Baldwin, Clark, Mobile, Monroe, and Washington.